want to be transparent with you guys as much as I can about how this journey is going. As you guys know, this program starts on a Monday with meal prep. No, man. It starts on a Sunday with meal prep. And I can tell you right now for free that Sunday did not go as planned at all. I kind of had a little bit of a mental breakdown and rage quit halfway through making my meal. It is currently Monday. I am back from work and I'm only gonna do my meal prep today. But I did work out in the morning and you guys will see the footage of that. Happy Monday, guys. It is Monday the 9th, week 2 of the weight loss program. Louis, stop it. Oh goodness, this child is gonna drive me crazy. Anyway, I didn't actually finish doing meal prep yesterday. I had a mental breakdown. I was like borderline emotional and I just rage quit. But I have a feeling that today is going to be a better day, so I'm going to finish the meal prep today and just pack something for lunch, because like I said, I didn't really finish my meal prep. I did probably 2/3 of the meal that I'm supposed to take for lunch and nothing whatsoever for supper. The exciting news, however, and I'm almost running late this week, in fact for the next 2 weeks or 4 weeks, I think, I'm gonna be working out with Mudulela Monyake. I know that I've mentioned her in my last vlog. She's doing a weekly challenge program. I'll just put a poster here. Yeah, I'm gonna be doing that, so no more YouTube training program. And one other surprise is that at the end of this month I am running a 10-kilometer, so I might just need to change the walks with the kitties to a run with the kitties just to prepare for that. But yeah, I'm gonna quickly set up for the workout session and see you guys in a few. Workout is done. Yo guys, one thing about Mudulela, she will make you work, she will make you sweat, she will make you regret all your life decisions. But I really enjoy working with her and I'm excited that I'm actually back on her program because her exercises are so effective and I actually feel like it's more possible to reach my workout goal while working out with her than just following YouTube videos, so I'm very excited about that. Yesterday I'd only managed to make butternut and chicken, so for the second vegetable I'm going to fry some green beans, and then for supper I'm going to make some eggplant, broccoli, I'm thinking sweet potato again, and maybe some peas as well as sweet corn.
I like to be educated, but I'm so frustrated. Hello to my loneliness. I guess that ignorance is bliss. Take me back to before the noon. Rewind, take it out of cue. Innocence can be.
Okay, then I come back from a 2.5-kilometer run. It took a total time of 27 minutes 39 seconds. I'm just gonna cool down and do my stretches and I'll meet you guys at supper. Happy Tuesday, guys. It is 25+5 in the morning and the workout session with Mudulela and the rest of the group is gonna start in 5 minutes, and she's already warned that today is gonna be a lot more hectic than yesterday. I'm also quite surprised that my legs feel fine despite the workout that we did yesterday. The stairs, plus the running. So I'm ready. I think.
3, 2, 1, let's go marching on the floor.
Can you see what my shirt says? Like, can you actually see? Please recognize. Say it with me. Badass. Yes. This exercise is officially done. Anyway, I am done papering. Guys, there is no loyal being like Escom in this world. I just lost power, which means I'm gonna have to hang 10 until 8:30. Luckily, I am not going to the office, so I have enough time to wait and actually have a decent meal. Can I just say, even in my 2 minutes of adopting a healthy lifestyle, eating healthy and working out, there's just something about it that makes you feel different, like alive and just rejuvenated and full of life. I feel like this is really an experience that everybody needs to have at some point in their lives. On a different note from earlier on, you know, sometimes there's just gonna be people, things, situations in life that just like pull you down and make you just want to give up on everything. And I think I've just experienced that today, where I just, you know what, I was done with the day. But because now I have accountability partners and these two beings that are dragging me everywhere, you know what, I just decided, F those people, I'm just gonna do what I'm gonna do. And I know that going on this run is gonna make me feel way better, even though I just wanted to not go at all. We are back from the run, and this one was not an easy one at all. I thought wearing this badass shirt would give me the extra oomph, but the combos were not communicating. Today we did 3.3 kilometers in 20 minutes. I mean, I wasn't the only one who was toast. Even the kids were struggling today. Hopefully things will get better, or maybe I need to make time for a rest day. I don't know, we shall see.
All right, get ready. Time starts in 3, 2, 1.
Good morning, guys, and just like that, today's workout is done. I know I did things the other way around, and that is because I didn't actually wake up late. I was lazy about the place. But today I was extra smart. Lotion is actually supposed to have hit already, but I made my boiled eggs while I was working out, which means I have a snacky. I have a peach. Everybody loves a nice peach. And then in here I have cherry tomatoes, burritas, and some slices of cheese. I got milk from my cereal. Woo! This is why you don't bring milk to work, and then obviously the milk spilled out. Need to sort that out. And then in here I have my boiled eggs. And then this is the lunch that we always have since we do meal prep. Yep. And that's pretty much it. Today we just did a 3 kilometer, about an hour worth long of a walk. It was a very easy walk, and honestly I'm not mad about it because every inch of my body right now is in pain, and I know that I've been saying that I'm in pain a lot, but this is a different kind of pain. So I think it's also important for me to listen to my body, because I did quite a lot, and that doesn't mean that the rest of the week is not going to be exercise. I'm just taking a break from running today.
Get ready to go. 2, 1. Back to squats and punches. 5 punches. 5 punches. Don't just throw your arms. Remember, punch with purpose. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Don't rush it. Control every contraction your body makes. Keep your tummy tight. squat.
Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're giving me wind and rain.
Happy Thursday, everybody. Just like that, the workout of the day is done. Might I also add that this is going to be the last workout of this week. I know that my program says 5 days a week. I'll see what I can conjure for tomorrow, but as far as the walkies with the babies, that's not gonna happen after work. Yo, I have officially decided that Fridays are gonna be my hobby days, and I've been knitting I've been knitting this thing for months now. It's meant to be a cover seat for my back seat for when I take the kids to the park. I mean, it's great because I'm recycling, but it's taking way too long than what I had anticipated. Anyway, in the regular fashion, today is Friday and it is time for confessionals and also recap of the week. Sure, what happened this week? Ooh, actually, I'm so proud of myself, guys. Remember last week I struggled a little bit with the reading and the journaling. I'm proud to say that I started this week, and yo guys, the book that I thought that book was lame, right? But it is starting to get juicy. People are sleeping with people's husbands, and like just no, I take all my words back. It's starting to get a little bit interesting. The only other problem though is this damn load shedding. I don't know about you, but I am so done with load shedding. It is disrupting every single aspect of my life. Just, it's not great. Oh, and then I'm not going to do a weigh-in this week because I spoke to my coach and she scolded me, and I understand why. I know I kind of played it down last week when I weighed myself and like nothing was moving, but this whole occasional weighing thing is actually very bad for morale. So I'm gonna wait until the end of next week to weigh myself again, because I've been working out for, I know it's just been, has it been 2 weeks? 1 week? It's just been 1 week working out with Mudulela, but I've been working out a week before that, which makes next week the 3rd week. So next week I will do a proper weigh-in and measurement, because otherwise it's gonna get really rough. But yeah, I think overall this week was relatively okay. The workouts were like, just everything was just challenging, and I'm gonna attribute that to the heat wave that we've been experiencing. But beyond that, I'm very proud of myself. I have to say, I've been very consistent with my workouts, with my diet, and now I've hopped on to the other 50% of my program, which is the journaling and the reading. So yeah, I'll say it's a very well accomplished week. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope that you enjoyed this week's vlog. If you enjoyed it, please remember to give it a thumbs up. And if you are going through this journey with me, let me know how your progress is going, because I'm here for you as much as you are here for me. Thank you guys so much for watching. Until next time, I love you guys. Bye!